Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this quick minute lesson on how to apply bias binding. So bias binding is a fabric that is cut diagonally and is used as decoration or simply to cover raw edges on fabric. It can be bought in various sizes or you can make your own. The pre-folded edges make it very easy to work with, so it's definitely great for beginners. So yeah, let's get started. So for a beginner, I definitely recommend pinning the edges of the binding to your fabric. This will make it much easier to sew. So when you're ready to sew, use the crease of the fold on the binding as your guide and sew the whole way down. When you're finished, fold the binding over and to meet the other side of the fabric. I recommend ironing it down as it will make it much easier to sew. Once it is folded over, you'll need to sew it down. Try sewing as close to the edge as you possibly can. For a beginner, it might be a little bit difficult, so don't worry too much. And it is as simple as that, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more minute lessons. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!